God needed him up there to solve the COVID crisis. And even God has been crying for the past 2 days, as evident by the rate. I will do everything I can to ensure that your legacy lives on till we meet again.
I'm going to start with a quote. If I grow up to be half the person you are, Dad, then I will consider my life a success. I've spent the past 2 days trying to pen down something for a man who people knew as Krishan Kumar Agarwal, Dr. KK, Kisu, the man with the stethoscope, a savior, educator, doctor, and so much more. He was here in this world to save lives and help people. After all, he was not just my papa, but he was akin to God and a messiah for many. Now that he's gone, probably to another universe to fulfill another purpose, I see everyone around him, including me, realizing his value and true potential. I know that we as his children probably took him for granted many times too. I now wonder why people wait to say what they feel, and to value and respect life while they still have it. But today, everyone knows that Dr. KK Agarwal is a true legend, a person who, till the very end, kept helping people selflessly. Every time I told him to take rest, he would say, "Jiska koi nahi, uska HCFI hai, uska Dr. KK Agarwal hai." Dear Papa, while I can't go back in time and tell you how I feel, I certainly can try and imbibe all your qualities and follow what you have taught. You have left us with the tremendous responsibility of continuing your selfless work and keeping you alive through the lives that you saved through your third child, HCFI, as you call it. We will continue to save those lives for you and honor and respect your wishes. I know that I was your favorite child, no matter how much you said that after you get married, I have an additional family to take care of. And even Nilesh, how much he's claimed through the years, that now he loves him more. I know deep within my heart that you saw your reflection in me. I love you, Papa, and no matter how much time passes, I will always be your little girl.
I'm going to quote some lyrics from a Bon Jovi song, which I've always loved. It's been raining since you left me, and I'm drowning in the flood. I think I've always been a fighter, but without you, I give up. Through your teachings, I managed to, during the last couple of months, I think I managed to save a few people. And the pleasure and joy I got in that, I can't even imagine what you did by saving millions of people. My father grew up in one bedroom with 8 other siblings and my grandparents. He used to study on top of the cupboard and use his passion of knowledge to top his school and both his undergraduate and postgraduate medicine degrees. He worked extra hard to provide for us and built a bedroom for me that is bigger than the one that he and 10 other people grew up in. His only desire in life was to help spread health awareness and help the poor. 90% of his patients were not charged, and the money from the other 10% went to his third child, as he used to call it, his NGO, which is the Heart Care Foundation of India. Through this NGO, he organized health fairs, camps, educating millions of people about life saving medical knowledge and techniques. He sponsored free surgeries for the poor and provided free treatments and consultations. God needed him up there to solve the COVID crisis. And even God has been crying for the past 2 days, as evident by the rate. I will do everything I can to ensure that your legacy lives on till we meet again.
Namaskar to everybody. This is the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life. Please excuse me for breaking down. I'm going to borrow Jawaharlal Nehru's words from Mahatma Gandhi when he passed away. I have no words of my own, but these words seem very appropriate to me. The light has gone out of our lives and there is darkness everywhere. I do not know what to tell you or how to say it. Our beloved KK, as we have fondly called him, is no more. Perhaps I'm wrong to say that. Nevertheless, we will never see him again as we have seen him for these many years. We will not run to him for advice and seek solace from him. And that is a terrible blow, not only to me, but to millions and millions in this country. And it is very difficult to soften the blow by any means or any advice that I or anyone can give you. The light has gone out, I said, and yet I was wrong. For the light that shone in this country was no ordinary light. The light that has illumined this country for thousands of years. And 1,000 years later, this light will continue to illumine us. You never said goodbye. You never said, I'm leaving. You never said goodbye. You were gone before I knew it. And only God knew why. 1,000,000 times I needed you. 1,000,000 times I cried. If love alone could have saved you, you never would have died. In life, I loved you dearly. In death, I love you still. In my heart, you hold a place that no one can ever fill. It broke my heart to lose you, but you didn't go alone. For part of me went with you the day God took you home. Om Shanti.